Bitcoin has had this beautiful pump towards the upside, breaking above our previous all-time high. Now, after this significant pump towards the upside, right now we are creating our next consolidation. And inside this consolidation, we are developing this symmetrical triangle, meaning that Bitcoin is right now preparing itself for that next massive move. So, are we going to be seeing another Bitcoin pump getting initiated? Well, today we are going to be seeing our CPI data getting released, so we need to be talking about that exactly. And without any further ado, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And first of all, what we can be seeing over here is that we closed our first daily candle above that previous all-time high. And we have just confirmed our daily candle close above that previous all-time high, which is a very bullish confirmation that definitely we are right now definitely breaking above that previous all-time high, which is of course what we needed to see in order for this pump to be getting initiated. Now, of course, yesterday we started off with a very nice pump towards the upside, but I always say that after a pump, you want to be seeing some kind of a consolidation, and that is going to be your next best opportunity to be entering the market. Because, well, this is just going to be a continuation pattern, and it is going to be more likely that we are actually going to be breaking this one out towards the upside and see that next pump towards the upside getting initiated with that upwards momentum we are seeing right now. But quickly having a look into our ETF data, yes, yesterday once again we saw a huge net inflow in towards our spot Bitcoin ETFs. So this is where we have been talking about. Usually at the start of each and every single week, we are seeing huge net inflows, which once again yesterday we saw happening. So definitely our ETF inflows yesterday were looking very good once again. But what in my opinion is going to be the deciding factor, whether we are going to be seeing our actual breakout towards the upside or towards the downside, because of course we could as well be breaking out towards the downside. Well, what is going to be the deciding factor is going to be the CPI data that will be getting released today in just a few hours. Okay, if this CPI data is going to be coming in higher than the consensus, well, that is going to be bearish, and I think in that case we can be seeing a little bit of a fake out towards the downside, but then in the end of the day still reverse back towards the upside. But if it is going to be coming in lower than expected, well, that is going to be very bullish. And in that case, well, we are just going to be creating our continuation towards the upside. And well, if this data is going to be coming out as expected, well, I just think we are going to be seeing our further consolidation inside of this symmetrical triangle, but eventually still break out towards the upside. And even if we are going to be seeing this breakdown, well, in that case, we might be retesting our all-time high breakout, and we might be just retesting that 69k level, which in my opinion is going to be a very good level to be buying up even more Bitcoin at, because eventually I do think we are going to be just seeing another breakout towards the upside. That is why I've positioned myself still with a Bitcoin long position, which is right now 55k in a profit. I do think that no matter which direction Bitcoin is going to be choosing in the short term, inevitably we are going to be seeing another breakout towards the upside, and that is why I'm still in my long position. And the reason why I do think that we are inevitably going to be seeing another breakout towards the upside is, first of all, of course, because we have broken above that previous all-time high. Second of all, we are trading in this very steep Bitcoin uptrend. We are seeing huge inflows, definitely, especially in the beginning of every single week. So probably today the inflows will be huge once again. We are seeing the exponential stages of the Bitcoin bull market getting reached, with our Bitcoin RSI indicator being at overbought values. The Bitcoin funding rates are also in bull market territories, and actually in the short term we can be seeing that the Bitcoin funding rates are trading quite low for a Bitcoin bull market, while at the same time we are literally trading at all-time highs. So in my opinion, this is only indicating that we are going to be headed even higher. On top of that, yes, of course, we have reached price discovery and things can be moving on very quickly, just like we have seen in the last cycle. But I will be talking about this a little bit later. First of all, if you are as well going to be getting interested in trading, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming a $200 trade over on Bybit. So make sure to check out that link down below. On top of that, if you are going to be getting interested in my exact Bitcoin trades, because yes, this exact Bitcoin trade that I have opened right now, I shared the exact details in my free VIP group. And all of my Bitcoin trades and my exact setups, I will be sharing it in my VIP group, which is completely for free. All you need to do is click on that link down below, have a look into towards the requirements and fill out this form. And then you are also going to be getting access to my free VIP group. Make sure to check it out. On top of that, for this trade, you are also going to be eligible for this 40k deposit bonus. Now, having a look into what's the Bitcoin chart, of course, we are trading in price discovery right now. We literally do not have any resistance above of ourselves. And the last cycle, whenever we saw the exact same thing happening, well, we very quickly reached new all-time highs. We very quickly reached that 1.618 Fibonacci level of resistance and even above that level. So this cycle, this time around, do keep in mind that things can be moving very quickly. And just like last cycle, well, we do not have any resistance above of ourselves and we just have clear skies above us. Of course, we do have some resistance levels such as the 75k level, the 80k level, the 82.8k level, and after that just the 100k level. But yeah, anyways, I do not want to be shorting this Bitcoin price at all. I only want to be longing this because, well, the trend is so strong towards the upside. It is, of course, a Bitcoin bull market and I am not shorting in a Bitcoin bull market. But on top of that, do keep in mind that the alt season hasn't even started yet. Of course, we are going to be making massive profits with altcoins, so stay tuned for that. In my opinion, altcoins are about to pop next, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I see you in another update video tomorrow morning.